You are watching EnergyNewsTV.com, your home for fresh energy news delivered daily. This is the early petroleum market report for December 23, 2024. WTI crude oil futures climbed to around $69 per barrel on Monday, rising for the second straight session after a lower-than-expected U.S. inflation data report revived hopes for further rate cuts next year, which could boost growth and energy demand. Oil market players also assessed President-elect Donald Trump's threat to reassert U.S. control over the Panama Canal, accusing the nation of charging excessive rates to use the passage. Last week, oil prices dropped more than 2% after the U.S. Federal Reserve projected a slower pace of monetary easing in 2025. Adding to the downward pressure was uncertainty surrounding China's economy, the world's largest oil importer, following disappointing retail sales figures and Sinopec's forecast of the country's oil consumption peaking by 2027. Moreover, fears over a potential US-EU trade war resurfaced after Trump warned of imposing tariffs on the European Union if it did not conduct large-scale purchases of US oil and gas. Turning to the natural gas market, U.S. natural gas futures rose to nearly $3.90 per million British thermal units, the highest in over 1 year. Amid heavy short covering and bets of stronger global LNG demand, magnified the outlook of higher domestic consumption. Meanwhile, fresh forecasts of a cold front in the U.S. in mid-January drove the industry to raise demand forecasts by 18 billion cubic feet into the weekend. This coincided with data from the Energy Information Administration showing that gas storage fell by over 100 BCF for the second straight week, deepening the anticipated start to the withdrawal season. Elsewhere, the decreasing likelihood that Europe will continue to receive Russian gas through Ukraine drove investors to take long LNG positions as EU members search for alternative gas sources. This raises demand for U.S. LNG at the turn of the U.S. presidency, with President-elect Trump pledging to issue more LNG export permits amid ample and growing domestic natural gas supply. Thank you for watching Energy News TV, your home for fresh energy news delivered daily. Please be sure to like and subscribe to our page. Stay tuned for more fresh energy news.